Hello, dear friends, and this is Peter, and today I would like to introduce you one of our most distinguished products, welding cable. Our welding cable is in accordance with British standard. Yes, you can see it is very flexible, wearing proof, oil proof. It is to British standard BS. Yes. You can see it is higher, halogen-free, fire-resistant standard 638-4. It is tinned copper. Yes, shining tinned copper. So double schist flexible. Yes. If you have any interest in our products, please don't hesitate to contact